YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. Hopefully we can murder out some boredom today. So I'm out here wrenching on a mower like I'm always doing, trying to do a keyway swap on a gentleman's mower, and I get two individuals. One guy walked up a mower and brought it over. He say it's not running right, and another gentleman, he say he let his neighbor borrow it and his mower went down. So here we are back at the spot getting it in. So I'm doing the keyway more, and I'm actually jumping off of that because this guy paid up front in advance. That means he jumps to the front of the line. So it sounds like a car. He started up. So we about to do our checks and see what's going on. Let's get it. All right, guys, here's the mower. He took the filter out. He said he need to change the filter. You can see it's definitely in need of some assistance. Yeah, it's pretty bad. All right, so we're gonna fire her up, see what she sounds like. All right, guys, so it definitely sounds to me like it needs a carb cleaning, and he say this is 3 months old, excuse me, 3 weeks old. And guys, if you get a filter brand new and you get it this dirty in 3 weeks, you are like banging some lawns out. I mean, man, you know, like, so I definitely believe it's the carburetor, because he say this is 3 weeks old. He say he bought it this month. All right, and you can see, let me get y'all over here close up. You can see all of the debris that's built up. So you can even see a little bit in there. Let me get y'all right. Yeah, you could definitely, you can see something in there right there. A little bit of debris. So I'm banking on the carb, guys. And this is the problem, guys. This was broken. Alright, so let me find a comparable. As a matter of fact, I've been cleaning up a lot of my crap. Yeah, so the problem is this being broken. I have a lot of crap right here. Ugh. Nope, nothing in there. Sounds like there is a full carburetor right here. So before I clean this one and do all of the fancy getting this right, I'm just gonna swap the carb and see if this does what I need it to do. Let me look at the one. Yep, same layout. Yeah, buddy. Oh wait, this is the new one, my bad. Nope, it's not the same layout. As you see, this is capped off right here is not there, and the spring housing that comes off right here is missing. So I have to take it apart. Drats. All right, now when we put this on, remember you got your two throttle linkages, your choke assembly and your throttle. Every mower, there tends to be the same, but how you install them is really on the tension or lack of tension on the springs or your assemblies. There we go. Gotcha. Okay. Bam. Now we're about to do our test fire. Y'all know how I do. We don't need to put everything together on every mower. Bam, there it is, guys. So his issue with his mower was that gasket was bad. Let me show you. Okay, so this is called your cartridge. This is the gasket on the cartridge. It goes around the top of the neck. It was broken. That's why, but it was right here. You can see it's real hard looking in that area. Even though it was broken, the plastic had stuck. You can see that little black spot right there. That's where the plastic was stuck. So it was broken, but it was stuck enough to get it fired up, but it still left a teeny little gap to where it was letting air and fuel not atomize right. So there it is. I'm gonna put it back together, and thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one, guys.